Meaning of hunting ground.
Hunting ground.
Hunting ground.
Hunting ground.
Hunting ground. The term hunting ground usually refers to a specific area that is regularly used for hunting by a particular group of animals or humans. It can also be used metaphorically to describe a place where someone frequently goes to meet potential romantic partners or to search for opportunities for some other purpose. In both cases, the idea is that the location is particularly fruitful for the activity in question. The term can also be used more broadly to describe any place that is conducive to achieving a particular goal or outcome.